So, you've just acquired a new wooden utensil. If it's one of mine, it probably looks like this, or like that. I'm going to show you the right way to take care of a wooden spoon or spatula. You will learn what to do to ensure that your utensils will have as long of a lifespan as possible. I'm going to show you how I take care of my wooden utensils by using one that I have made. Many of the utensils you see here are for sale on Instagram at geekouthobbies_store. Link in the description. The biggest mistake I see people make with the wooden utensils is soaking them in water. This will cause the wood to warp and crack. This is because different parts of the utensil will dry out faster than other parts. This is also the reason why wet logs will crack and warp. I will first be covering how to manage the moisture of the utensil whilst cooking. The first thing to make sure you do is not leave your spatula or spoon in the pan whilst cooking. This will prevent the oils and liquids of what you are cooking from seeping into the pores of the wood. You also want to wipe off the oils and liquids with a towel or rag. This again will prevent any liquid from soaking into the wood. Another way people let water soak into their utensils is while washing them. When you wash your spoon or spatula, use a damp towel with at most a very small amount of soap. It's all about limiting the amount of moisture entering and exiting the wood. Now that you have used and washed your wooden utensil, there is one last step to take to ensure that it lasts for a long time. Every few uses, you want to reapply an oil or wood conditioner. The oil or wood conditioner will protect the wood from any residual moisture, and the conditioner also has the added benefit of pushing stains from fruits and vegetables that you cooked out of the cells of the wood. Even if you don't follow these recommendations for care, I insist you follow this one rule. Never use wooden utensils on raw meat. Raw meat has a possibility to host bacteria that could make you sick. That is one reason why we cook raw meat. Cooking the meat kills the bacteria and makes it safe for consumption. However, you cannot do the same for wooden utensils. The bacteria can linger on and in the pores of the wood and contaminate your other food and also get you sick. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I will try to answer as many as I can. I will also heart the most common questions so they appear at the top of the comments section. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you really love what I'm doing here, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.